How this guy earns passive $30,000 per month online. In this video, I will explain to you how this guy makes $30,000 a month online in passive income. Using these ideas will undoubtedly increase your earnings. Watch the video to learn how to make money online. Let's start the video. Millionaire Tanner Chidester is undoubtedly a person who has developed a system for producing money. This 27-year-old man is behind Fit Warrior and Elite CEO. Two businesses worth over $1 million each were independently founded by this 27-year-old man. According to Chidester, saving money is the long way to prosperity. In the end, earning more is far simpler than saving more. How to begin? To start earning money, you must know exactly how much you want to earn. Calculate precisely how much you must make each year, month, and week to achieve your goal of becoming a billionaire in 10 years. Your aim is no longer so bad when you break the ultimate amount in this manner. According to the young millionaire, many individuals have significant objectives that they never fail to attain and do not set smaller milestones that they have to fulfill. So obtaining the final goal becomes unachievable and disheartening. After deciding on your financial objective, you must begin working and earning income. According to Chidester, the most accessible way to start making a lot of money is to use a talent you already have that you can use to your advantage. Perhaps you're exceptionally skilled at teaching or digital marketing. You could excel in cooking or book sales. Choose a talent you excel at, provide it as a service, and charge clients for it. Initial 2 years. Since he played football in college and has been exercising since he was young, he decided to create personalized fitness and nutrition plans for clients. Before he was 22, he dropped out of college. The results of his efforts were not immediate, monetarily. He struggled to make $2,000 a year for the first 2 years, forcing him to put in extra hours. A course on developing e-learning content was essential to his progress. Then he learned that people are prepared to pay a lot for services, often over $2,000. Chidester, 25 at the time, said that up until then, he had been selling his training programs for roughly $40. He upped the price, and immediately, big money started coming in. Maybe he could earn $10,000 each week. He is now generating a monthly income of $30,000 to $50,000. By the time it became 27 years old, it was worth more than $1 million. Then he began sharing what he had learned with other business owners and fitness instructors so that they, too, could increase their income via the expansion of their online businesses. As a result, he was inspired to start Elite CEO, his second company after Fit Warrior. The biggest problem, he says, is that too many people provide their skills for too little money. This was all from my side to guide you about the 10 easy and legit ways to make money using your smartphone. Please subscribe and press the bell button if you're new to the channel so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding how to generate money.